On October 28, Hurricane Melissa made landfall in Jamaica as a Category 5 hurricane, bringing catastrophic winds at 185 miles per hour. Hurricane Melissa's devastating impact left a trail of destruction on the western end on the island like Montego Bay, Westmoreland Street, Elizabeth, and Trellis.
We shall rise again. Oh, Jacques, rise again.
Yanji.
Put some water in, guys. You can't do anything. Just can't cook on everything there. Put some water in, guys. You don't know, you can use like wash clothes or whatever. Yeah, man. Rain from the land.
Everything.
Japan was not giving a tear down, you know?
Imagine this Japan man living above trees. Oh, yes.
Yeah, I was trying to be inside the clip. I'm not going to see it. Trying to remember now, I'm going to see it. Trying to remember now, I'm going to see the clip stream. Yeah.
What's this one?
Jericho pump house, Jericho bridge is gone completely covered with water right here in Linseed, St. Catherine. Reporting from Jericho bridge at the Jericho pump house. It's very much impossible. Nobody cannot cross it at this time. That is where the bridge used to be, and now we are seeing a river. My God.
Yeah, man, yeah, this is a clip. Let me show you guys a while ago. At the pump house of Jericho. Some of you guys may see a video on TikTok, and I think may also post the video as well on here on YouTube, where a person I showed on there follow when the hurricane come. Show you guys that because I want to see how don't it look, you know, after the flood gone and all that, or after the water gone. So right now, guys, water come here where we live, and I am so happy so much. After days of no water, look at that, guys. Nice running water, feels so good. Days of no water, no light. Well, light don't come back yet. Light not half of my community, so I have water in the pipe now. So days no light, no water, no good cell phone signal. Everything gone, no Wi-Fi, nothing. I will give thanks, you know, for the water. Yeah, man. Even though rainfall, you know, yesterday, cause you guys saw a clip when I set some bucket, you know, for rainfall. That was from yesterday. I want to come at the night, so I have to give God thanks, you know, because can't manage without the water. Yeah, man, that's the most important necessity of life, water. Oh, okay, Melissa. Yeah, so I'm showing you the best pastry to make. after Hurricane Melissa. So we have 2 coconut right here. So yeah, so let's get them cut out. You can do this, and you can even burn some coal that can tear down. You can come in close and even if it's under. See you soon, guys. See what Gwaan put the coconut. So let's get next one cut out. Alright, there, so we finish cut out the 2 coconut them. So I'm showing you the best snack or pastry to make after the hurricane. Well guys, down on the west end, not still good, as we all can say already, right? I have one thing to say. Yes, it's good, you know, personal give back and all that, very good, and big up everybody who have give out, you know, some packages and things, but who are the farmers them build back? Come say, you know, we need the farmers them to get back on them foot, you know. Who will give them things to get back, you know, couple seeds, fertilizer and all that. Who will give them? Because if we don't give them and make them get back on their foot as soon as possible, you know, say things are expensive for a very long time. So I believe that the government are even rather than place there. So agriculture can come together and give them something so they can get back on their foot fast. Yeah man, so I'll get them here cut out now guys, and think to stay tuned for so what I do. Let's go and get the coconut and shut up, you know. You can cut them, but cut them might take a while. So, new style, quick and fast. You want pieces of what going there? We're doing great right up now. Yeah, go and shut it down. So you guys soon have idea what going on, you know? See there? Come on guys, see what going on there? So you guys, some of you guys may figure it out already. I'm boiling some coconut drops. Yeah, not the original way of doing it, because number I cut the coconut, you wouldn't shed it. But because me want to do it fast, less work, so I use the grater and shred it. I don't know upon the wood fire because that smoke give it an extra flavor. Yeah. So right now we have some nutmeg right here, and cinnamon powder right here, and we have some salt right here. A pinch of salt, enough flavor the drops. Yeah. Don't know, the more spiced, the better. And we have some vanilla right here. Yeah. Look, vanilla night. And we don't have any whole ginger, so add like a liquid ginger night. So I add in the sugar shortly guys, because I don't know how the sugar make it nice and join together and all that. And so this sky guys going to be rainy these past few days. We're getting enough rain, so I hope no rain not fall down on the western end of Jamaica, because it's been rough. If we don't have anywhere to go on the rain fall, yeah. Guys, best thing to do, because tree them tear down, you have to coconut, make some chops man. Yeah man, let's go. You can't jump on no kind of run. Because guys, if you're not coming up properly, I have to get up like this and to run. Now I'm gonna dry, because when I chop it out, it dry fast. It dry. So now I'll get this half an hour and get it chopped out. Alright, chop out time now, guys. I'll show you the traditional way, guys. So I'll leave us an image on the screen so you can see the traditional way of making the chops. So I say normally you would shred the coconut. You then cut it up. So I just shred it with the grater. So you can chop it up on the banana leaf, and a banana leaf you can use parchment paper. And within a few minutes, chop it dry.
Money, oh God, it's terrible. I never seen nothing like this before. I drove down to my bed. Everything me lost, everything mash up. Everything. Everything mash up. And me goat, me lose about 11 head of goat. Everything gone. You can't even name it. I have to go start all over again with nothing. Not no money.
What are some of the resources that could help you right now?
Water and food and all and something, and get back some more some lumber, set up at my place and so forth, and see if we can get back my good and whatsoever. Wardrobe be dressed around there, and my bed and my mattress, my new brand mattress, and all and something. Me zinc them. I don't think I have nothing to put back on the house. Everything gone. Yeah, I asked them if they could help me. I really thank them a lot. Yeah. Tell me.
Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping at the river when me ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica, Jamaica.
I know.
I'm sorry.
It's been a lot. It's been a lot.
I'm sorry.
It's been a lot.
It's really bad here. Really bad. When I hug my sister and see her crying with me and walking through the water, it really breaking me down to see what happened. But the main thing is that she's alive. She's alive, and I hugged her, and I'm alive, and she hugged me, and I cry with her too, because I love her. And she was walking through the water maybe about 5 feet to come see me. I couldn't get there to go see her, so she come to see me. So we meet halfway in the water, so we hug each other and cry.
You shall rise again.
Oh, Jacques, baby, rise again.
Yanji.
We shall rise again.
We shall rise again.
We shall rise again, coming from the bottom. Come together and let's solve the problem. Everybody got them, but them I make the money so they don't wanna solve it. In the days and the nights will fall, but I know we'll carry on. Now it's time for us to stay strong, so let's come together.
We shall rise again.